Because I can't just walk there. I'll have to ride a vehicle and it's gonna cost money. And instead of doing that, I can just research online at my home without without using of money, and I can understand the information provided online.
Yes.
Well, for me, I will also choose online because some of the information in the library are also very limited, which can be very frustrating and a struggle for us, especially when we are conducting a research or some some informations that are relevant to histories. And by doing online researches also, it is very easily accessible, less hassle, at the same time you can do it comfortably.
Siguro I would rather choose online because especially right now po, if we are doing research that is timely, we can really rely on library because most of the information na at the library is outdated. Di ba our research, our research, we have a rule na 5 to 10 years na. Sometimes, sa mga information na library, though may dagat, pero bagat outdated din, so medyo hassle din talaga to find the information when you can just find it online in one click lang. But, okay, thank you for your answer that one. Oh, you have...
Right now, for example, if we're doing historical research, I would like to there's actually that's I would like to go to them. For example, if I would like if I was tutorial research, then I would sit down on that.
Igig daw kasi ang buwan plus saan din
I would feel na every detail of the book is you would understand the meaning of the words and the factual thing. So, kung nagkaroon na kayo ng research dito about history, you would understand the details in books and how does the action and the scene work. Kasi ano na lahat, you would understand everything. For internet naman, everything is there, but sometimes ang pala nila kinukuha na yung summary ka. And of course, I've been experienced in week one, like orientation research. Well, we choose internet, but the actual information is in the library. But if we try reading library, the detail in our paper is expressing in understand. For me, it depends on your interest whether you choose online or library.
Someone said kanina na mas bet daw ang updated kasi outdated, right?
Yes, but if we're talking history, mas maganda yung
Yes. Siya na akong history. We are talking now about history and historical research. So, ano ba yung nasa loob ng history? Di ba past? Di ba old? So, outdated information is more valuable kesa sa more updated information nowadays. Kasi, we're talking about history. Yung kasi yung pinag-usapan natin, yung mga historians na present nowadays na mas bago yung information
scholarship at atom, community and
Another idea. Diri ko ang question di kun mawara ang national library ha. I mean kun mawara ang mga manuscript, original evidences, journals, kun mawara ito. Idea pa? So, pag mawara ito ni mga manuscript, original sources, primary secondary sources, ito mag-preserve sa museums and archives nowadays or even until now. Ano yung mangyayari in a generation as a whole?
So, since we're talking about history, if those manuscripts and evidences mawala, those one circumstances or mga events nagiging hata-hata doon dahil we don't have basis or mga basis nga mag-support dito na artifacts or events nga natin.
Yes, exactly. So, yes, Alright na. So, exactly. Kapag mawara at itong mga evidences and mga manuscript, waray na kita i-face para ka mga in the present time, dahil waray na magagamit ang ating future generation to preserve our culture. Kasi kapag nawara ang ating culture, mawawara ang ating identity. Very good. So, this is the Filipiniana and Rizaliana. What do you mean by Filipiniana? Dari yung nasuot na binan. These are the books related on the history of the Philippines. Madalan yung mga history or evidences or mga originated na parang Filipino works. This is Filipiniana collections. What about Rizaliana? Yes, collection of Rizal, including his life, his works, his profession, contributions, and all. Asya ito ang collection of books of Rizaliana. So, the National Archives of the Philippines. Now, may I ask, what is the difference between libraries and archives? Kasi may difference here when it comes to purpose. This is the same, but they have they have different purpose.
Why mga library or why nakafocus sa
Let's go.
For me, ma'am, I think the library has more only focus on the books. Tapos, while national archives naman, I think may mga halo po siya ng mga artifacts. Artifacts naman nakalagay yung
Saan sa library?
archives. Magkakaroon po yung mga books or mga scriptures that was created.
Tabaso.
Mga past events.
Another idea? Another idea? No.
Mami, nagil ko, no?
Answer, ilabas mo yan. What is the difference when it comes to the purpose of libraries and archives?
Pag nakadilit ka ng story.
Doon ka nag-express ng istorya. Simply what? Waray kang idea? Mga doon na very simple now. Kaya mo na yan.
So, for me, my own opinion, sabi natin archives, dito practice namin para ng mga original manuscripts. So, the artifacts, mga ano po, libraries, dito na lang stories na sa first, second, first,
archive, it is also a nameless container.
Thank you. To easily understand the difference between them, okay? The purpose of library is to store, preserve, all the history documents. History documents na may contribution haaton ninyo. But archive to restore, preserve, secure all the government documents. Kasi when it comes to government documents, government documents, of course, it is very confidential. It is, we should be protect this document. We should be secure this documents, just like the documents of Constitution, the drafted Constitution, nandun sila sa archives. Yun yung purpose ng archives, to protect the government of documents. The government manuscript, the government drafting, yun yung purpose ng archives. So, yes. Kilala niyo ba yung UP? Yes! Ano yung previous knowledge o yung alam niyo sa UP Diliman?
Puro-puro.
Yes! Mga prestigious university.
Mga LTA daw.
Ano yung alam niyo sa UP Diliman?
Activist ko kuya balikin.
Di ba ma'am? Kaya ano naman niya mga students sa ira is for on aalsa.
Kinuha kasi nila ang voice.